Electricity.
Oh my gosh, guys.
OMG, LOL.
You gotta check this out. It's a rare sight.
What?
Come on. Come on, follow. It's exciting. Oh my goodness. It's a rare bird. What are you doing? I'm welding! Are you working on your truck?
Nope. He's working on the Ramcharger. I need to turn the welder on.
Gilbert hasn't worked on this for, I don't know, 16 years or something?
What is it, like 8 and 7, right? For the high feed? 8 and 7? We're not focused. Hey.
Now you are, I'm not.
Well, here.
Both in focus.
Oh, hey, there's that dickhead. Yeah, I'm just putting in this here support bar for your rad from a Radiator. Ow, me. That ain't right. Too much wire. And then get this side on its little holder. No. It's a little off, actually. I made this side a little long. Nice.
So let's see what you're talking. Let's see. Show everybody else.
Everyone, even me. Put a piece of rubber. Oops. Put a piece of rubber for this to sit on. And Radiator sits right there. Thusly.
Oh wow.
Yeah, right up against that.
And you just gotta make mounts for this little guy.
Yeah, just up here, just use little L brackets off of these already holes here. That'll bolt down, and then they'll just kind of, like little feet will just hold it down.
In case sitting rubber as well.
Yeah, exactly. So it'll just be like a rubber little shoe that fits in here, and then just gets bolted down and pushed. Or I even thought about doing like a whole plate, you know, like dress it up, make it look pretty. Just do like a piece of bent, and then just put a piece of like bike tube or something in here to push down on. Same, because the bottom will just be rubber mounted too. That goes to the, or to the back. Yeah, to the back. So it'll be like right there.
Sweet.
And then the intercooler I'll have to put in first, then the radiator. But I just wanted to be able to know where I needed to punch holes here and here. And I don't know how I'm gonna do the charge piping. I might just have like the hole down here for the inlet, and then just maybe like a big hole right here with the 3-inch charge pipe coming out like this. I don't know. Let's let them figure that out. I don't know. I had to pick like the largest radiator they had.
Because you're gonna have so many Hearst purrs.
Hearst purrs, yeah. And I was talking earlier, like, man, I just want to ditch these twins because it's truly a pain in the ass to make room. I didn't think it would be that hard, but it's proven to be a little harder than I wanted it to be. And I should have just kept the big single. It's the afterthoughts. Like, I still need an intake pipe. That's where's like the intake gonna go? I guess it can come around the bottom and like come up like right here, because there's nothing gonna be right here.
You're gonna have electric fans.
Well, yeah, I can have a fan here, but I mean down the middle. You know, there's fucking 9 inches of room almost right from here to here.
9 inches.
Or I mean, you know.
Yeah, you could find room there to come up. Yep.
That's
Sweet.
That's what I'm doing.
Looks like we're all doing something today.
I did some stuff. Some dumb stuff.
Well, you do dumb stuff all the time.
Yeah, that's all I do.
I guess not, huh?
Never mind.
She's confused.
Need to make the backside, weld that in place.
And And
then we got to cut that back apart.
no, you're supposed to say Bob's your uncle.
And Bob's your uncle's. And Bob's your brother's
Robert's your father's brother.
cousin. Brother. What?
Robert is your father's brother.
Oh, I get it. Bob's your uncle. So dumb. Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to Stupid Car Audio or Stupid TV Car Show, where I talk like this because I'm relatable. Haha. Working on the Ramcharger again. Anybody else hate that shit? You're like what is it? TNT, the horse, the power, like power block,
TV.
the power block.
No,
Horsepower TV. They always pick a guy named Chad.
Oh, hey, look! You gotta do it like this, though.
But I'm getting ahead of myself.
You gotta hit it with a wrench. You know.
Getting ahead of myself. This is a small Ramcharger update. If you didn't already know. I hope I'm in focus.
Ramcharger.
Am I in focus?
Yeah, you've been in focus.
Yeah. Small. Fuck you, Mike. Small Ramcharger update. Very small because I haven't really been doing anything to it. It's been just sitting in the back burner, but it's back on the lift because I got a little bit of free time and I got a little fire under my bootay. So in the meantime, we got my big 1,000 horsepower Radiator and we welded on some brackets right here.
Some little
And
tabbies.
here's some little tabbies. And down, if you can't see it, but and down here is a little slot that the Radiator will fit in. And then these little brackets. Here, bring the camera in there tight. Can you zooms? These are, I've got one out right here to show you guys.
It's perfect.
These are double-ended, like universal kind of mounts. I think they're modeled after old Volkswagen, Audi fuel pump mounts, because these come from a Volkswagen company called MP. But they're just rubber, double-ended, 6mm on either side. Super nice for mounting oil coolers, radiators, ignition boxes, ECUs, anything you don't want to transfer vibration to, or if you've got a noisy fuel pump, like one of those little clickety-clackety jobs that they sell at the auto parts store, these will help shut them up. So you don't hear the all the time.
Vibrating through your frameage.
So just real simple. Radiator sits inside of this. There's a channel like this on the bottom. Washer. 6mm nut. If I can get it on there because I'm retarded. Not in the sense of like, you know, Down syndrome. In the sense of I'm an idiot. If anybody wants to get all butthurt about it.
Get all uppity.
There's another one on this side.
Just use your imagination
Use
for
your
that one.
imagination for that one because it's not there. But anyways, that's it. I mean, this isn't going anywhere. Got plenty of room in here, hoses, yada yada yada.
Are
You might
gonna
also
put
notice
fans on there.
a single. I think I'm just gonna put one fan down in the, because this is the suck, this is the blow, so I'll put it down here. So it has all this time to cool down, and if it's still hot, the fan will be blowing down here. But also you might notice I've taken all the turbocharger stuff off because I got ahead of myself, and I like,
What?
I know, weird, huh? Gilbert get ahead of himself, strange. I want to hear it run, so I'm not gonna mess around with all the extenuous turbocharger stuff right now. I just want to hear it run. But right now, oil pan's not even on it. I'm gonna go get that right now. The trans cooler isn't in it, and the fuel system isn't in it, but that's what's coming next. We're gonna get the trans cooler and the fuel system put in it this weekend. Hopefully have a long update video for you guys. And then Mike hopefully will work on his van. If you guys don't remember, I'll try to put a thingy up in the, let's see what side it would be.
Probably.
This side of the
that
screen,
side. Yeah,
up
that
in this
side of the
corner.
screen.
I'll see if I put a tag in up there. You guys click it and you can check out his van build because it's actually pretty nice. So.
All right. Here she be. Low light, can't see anything. Oil pan's off of it. There we go. Mike,
being lazy. It's okay, he's allowed to be. But this will be coming in the next blipped of a video.
24 hours.
In the next 24 hours. I don't know, I might edit this and put it out tonight as a teaser to kind of keep everyone interested, because hopefully we'll have another Econoline video and Ramcharger video
We'll
next
have
week.
more Econoline stuff.
For sure.
I just haven't worked on it today, 'cause I don't know. And then I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. So, well, if I have time after fixing the cop car.
Well, that, and if all goes well, I won't be here next week. And Johnny won't be here next week, so Mike probably won't be here next week. So it'd be nice to get something out for you guys, because we're going to be radio silence for probably a couple of weeks, because I got a procedure going on with my heart, and Johnny has a procedure going on with his kid, and you've got a sick dog at home. Everybody's got a thing, as always. Everyone always has a thing. So I try to keep that in mind about myself and others, because everyone always has something going on in their life that hinders them from finishing their projects, because this isn't a day job for us. This is a moonlight type thing and whatnot. But hopefully we'll have some stuff for you guys. If you can't see that, Johnny's bus is also coming along fantastically.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh, it won't focus.
Let's go closer. I think we have more room up front.
So there's just a little bit, that's good. But he's got the inside all cut out, made room for the Subaru 6-cylinder, the EZ30, I believe. He's completely modified the hatch of a bus. If you know, this thing usually goes down way down here. So
Yeah, and it's operational.
It works and latches. So it'll look like it came like this factory.
Yeah, and he made a filler piece that's going to come here to fix this
So
mess.
I'll try to get some of that stuff edited too, so you guys can check that out. So leave a comment below if you'd like to see more of that. Hit up our Instagram, our Patreon, our Facebook, every social media you can think of. Leave a comment, hit that like button, all that happy horse pucky. Anything else? You got any words of wisdom, Mike?
Nah, man. I just appreciate the support everyone gives us every week, and it's been a rough couple of weeks, if not a rough year for everybody. So
2020 can go F itself.
yeah.
So we appreciate you all. Leave a comment, let us know what you're doing, and we'll talk to you next week.
Go hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. We'll see you next week.
We are 33 inches from docking.
What? What homos?
You know what docking is, right?
Yeah, when you put the sleeve inside the sleeve.
Yeah.
The wizard sleeve envelops the other wizard sleeve. That's going in the, this is going in the end, right after the Garage Junkie outro. That's what I'm saying.